Hey guys, whether you're a subscriber or not, you're welcome to watch this video. And in today's video, we're going to discuss the Bulgarian food and cuisine. The Bulgarian cuisine is a representative of the Southeastern European cuisine, and it shares characteristics with other countries from the Balkan Peninsula, particularly Greece and Turkey. And we have the same kind of meals. For example, an eggplant moussaka is prepared differently in Greece. For example, they use clove, and in Bulgaria it's cooked with tomato sauce, plenty of garlic, dill and parsley. So there are slight differences in the way the meal is presented, and also there are a lot of differences concerning the spices that we use. Today I want to suggest to you one really good restaurant, actually your best choice if you're located somewhere in the city center. The restaurant is called MOMA, and MOMA means maiden. So when you enter the restaurant, the atmosphere is really authentic and at the same time modern. You will see portraits of beautiful girls dressed in folklore dresses. There is also a garden where you can sit. I personally chose to sit in the garden. I recently visited this restaurant and I ordered pepper börek. And pepper börek is roasted peppers stuffed with feta cheese and eggs and a little bit of dill. The peppers are breaded on top, they are deeply fried and they are crispy on the outside, and the filling is creamy and rich in flavor. The main course was prepared from chicken and pork. The meat is cooked together with some vegetables and mushrooms, and it's really tasty. I also got a glass of wine, and as a dessert I ordered baklava. And baklava is typical for the Balkan region and especially for Turkey, and it's not exactly my favorite dessert because it's a little bit too sweet. I must admit that this baklava was so delicious and had the perfect balance of sweetness, pistachio flavor and texture. It was served with cream, and as you can see, the presentation is quite different to the traditional baklava. The cuisine has always been an important part of the travel experience because it's linked to the local culture and traditions, and because recipes are usually passed from generation to generation. And that's why when we travel to other countries, we are curious to try some local dishes in order to immerse and to have the total experience of that country. So if you're looking for this place where you can try traditional dishes with a modern touch, then MOMA is your restaurant and you should give it a try.